Dear all, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about composite transposons in bacteria. The transposition method is known as cut and paste or conservative or non-replicative transposition. Contents of the video include general overview on composite transposon element, genetic organization of different composite transposon elements, and mechanism of transposition. General overview. Composite transposons are more complex transposons with a central region containing genes that confer resistance to antibiotics and flanked on both sides by IS elements. These are also called IS modules. Composite transposons may be thousands of base pairs long. The IS elements are called ISL for left and ISR for right. Depending on the transposon, ISL and ISR may be in the same or inverted orientation relative to each other. Because the IS elements themselves have terminal inverted repeats, the composite transposons also have terminal inverted repeats. Transposition occurs because one of both IS elements supply the transposase, which recognizes the inverted repeats of the IS elements at the two ends of the transposons and initiates transposition. Like IS elements, composite transposons produce target site duplication after transposition. In case of TN5, TN9, TN10, the target site duplications are 9 base pair long. Now I will show you the structural genetic organization of composite transposon through diagram. This is transposon 10 or TN10. Here, antibiotic resistant gene is tetracycline resistance gene or TCR. Total length of TN10 is approximately 9300 base pairs. The length of both ISL and ISR are 1400 base pair each. In TN10, the orientation of IS elements are inverted. Because the IS elements themselves have terminal inverted repeats, the TN10 also have terminal inverted repeats. Transposition of composite transposons occurs because one of both IS elements supply the transposase, which recognizes the inverted repeats of the IS elements at the two ends of the transposons and initiates transposition. Frequency of transposition of TN10 is rare, occurring once in 10 to the power 7 cell generations. Now I am showing you two other composite transposons, TN5 and TN9. TN5 is approximately 5700 base pair long. The flanking IS elements are in the inverted orientation with respect to each other, and each IS element is 1533 base pair long. It contains 3 antibiotic resistance genes. These are CAN-R means kanamycin resistance, BLER means bleomycin resistance, and STR-R means streptomycin resistance. TN9 is approximately 2500 base pair long. The flanking IS elements are in the same orientation with respect to each other, and each IS element is 768 base pair long. It contains chloramphenicol resistance genes designated as CAM-R gene. So, these are all about genetic organizations of 3 common composite transposons in bacteria. In the previous video, I have already shown you how the IS elements transpose from one location to other in the genome. The process was cut and paste method. The composite transposons also move or transpose by the same cut and paste transposition method. This mechanism is also called conservative or non-replicative transposition. This is a composite transposon with two IS elements and it is the host DNA. Then target sequence of the recipient DNA molecule is detected. The transposes will move any segment of DNA surrounded by a pair of the inverted repeats that it recognizes. Consequently, when transposition occurs, there are several possibilities. First, each of the insertion sequences may move independently. Here, only one IS element is transposed. Or secondly, the whole structure between the two outermost inverted repeats may move as a unit. Here, the whole structure is transposed. So, two identical insertion sequences can move as two independent transposons or as one composite transposon. So this is all about the general structure and mode of transposition of composite transposon in bacteria. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of new video. Don't forget to like and share. Keep watching. Stay with us. Thank you.